I'm directing this to you, Dr. Simone.
Okay.
Because it was a video. It's floating around somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
And people are watching it. I don't remember the gentleman's name. I wish I had it to share right now. But he was talking about the truth and the importance of all of us paying attention to what's being fed us as the truth. He talked about the fact that we are told that we are made in the image of God.
Yes.
But if we are made in the image of God, then that means God looks like us. That's the truth.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
If you say that is the truth, then if I want to see Chineke, I must see somebody that looks like me. Even as a female, that's why the K aspect of Chineke. If I see God, I got to see something that looks like me.
Yes.
If you
yes.
say it in my image. But if I tell you today that for those who believe in Christ, if I say that Jesus is black, you get upset. You don't want to buy into that.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, Jesus can't possibly be black.
Mm-hmm.
Right? He has to because he has blue eyes and blonde hair and all that sort of thing. Right? That's exactly how it's presented to us as the truth. But we don't seem to have enough intelligence to ask the question. And that's what this gentleman was saying. If indeed God made me in his image, I don't have blonde hair and I'm not light skinned. So what does that mean? God is a liar then.
Yes. Yes.
It cannot be the truth.
Mm-hmm.
You see, but many of us, and I'm talking about people that look like you and I.
Yes.
We don't believe that the image of Chineke, God, whatever, Oludumare, whatever, could ever be like you and me.
Yes.
In our homes, we have all of these images. That's what he was saying. All these images of God. Blonde hair, blue-eyed. Let me ask you guys this question and I'll let you take it from there. If heaven is for those who are what? Who look like God, who are pure, and earth, we don't even, the people who brought us this message hardly even want us here. How did they want you in this heaven that you're killing yourself to go to?
Yes, absolutely.
Truth, my people, is important. If you're not accepted here, how are you going to be accepted where? Everybody has blonde eyes and blue eyes. Even those of you who are not blonde and blue eyed, who are white. You think you're going to be welcome in there if that image of God doesn't look like you? Truth is important because in truth, you act a certain way. Now, that may be somebody's truth. It may be, they may believe that to be their truth. But how about you? What do you believe? Whose report shall you believe? And now, Dr. Simone, I want you to take it.